good morning. Welcome to the Bong Voyagers. So as you can see, or I'm not sure if you can see correctly, we are on the road. We've hit the road. It's 5:30 now, and we are going for a trip. The place is called Chikmagalur. It's a very, very famous place. We've started from our home roughly 10 minutes back. As you can see, we'll witness the sunrise soon. We've hit early because it's a weekend and we were anticipating crowd. So this vlog will be all about our Chikmagalur trip. तो आज का डेस्टिनेशन है चिकमंगलुर. आज फ्राइडे है 14 अक्टूबर, 14 या 15 अक्टूबर. तो आज एंड कल हम लोग चिकमंगलुर में रहने वाले हैं एक होम स्टे में. कंपनी दिखा देते हैं. थोड़ा लाइट दिख रहा है इसलिए कंपनी आप देख सकते हो. पीछे बैठे हैं सौरभ एंड पारमिता और ड्राइवर सीट तो परमानेंट है ही मिस्टर प्रियंकर और मैं हूँ और हम लोग का बेबी भी है पीछे कार सीट में. तो हम लोग 5 जन निकले हैं फॉर चिकमंगलुर. इट्स अ हिल स्टेशन इन कर्नाटका, वेरी फेमस फॉर कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशंस. बहुत दिन से प्लान हो रहा था जाएंगे. फाइनली वी मेड इट हैपन. Hey guys, so we have taken a short halt to have our breakfast. This is Taj Restaurant, as you can see in my background. Taj Restaurant, this is a place where we've come for breakfast.
This is the entrance to the Coffee Bean Homestay. And finally, the Heritage Building, a stay for the next 2 days. तो बाहर बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. आज तो आपको कुछ दिखा नहीं पाएंगे, लेकिन कल डेफिनेटली आपको ये होम स्टे का एक प्रॉपर टूर और एक प्रॉपर रूम टूर देंगे हम. पीछे सौरभ अपने हमारे प्रियांश को साथ खेल रहा है शायद. गुड मॉर्निंग, डे 2 एट कॉफ़ी बीन होम स्टे चिकमंगलुर. बारिश थैंकफुली बंद हो गया था और हम निकल पड़े प्रॉपर्टी को एक्सप्लोर करने.
Hey guys, so we're going for a short walk around the property. The property owner is taking us around. So he was showing us avocados and jamun trees. This property is basically rich with number of fruit plants and all. So as you can see, we are walking through the estate. It's a coffee estate, plantation all around, and you can see the company behind me. So he's showing around the property, giving us information about trees and plants dating years. So this is the entrance to the homestay. As you can see, this is a pathway. Priyankar is getting inside. This side are our cottages, Rocks and Pebble. That's exactly the one I'm showing is a room that we're staying at, Rocks. And this is the other side, Pebbles. So, and we came through this way. So this road takes us along to the main road outside the gate. The main gate is very far away from here. It's almost a 1 kilometer road trip from there. So the entire property is an estate. The rooms start from here. As I said, rocks and pebbles are here, and there are some rooms inside as well. Priyankar, are you enjoying the property?
Yes, very much. बहुत अच्छा प्रॉपर्टी है. आप लोगों ने शायद वीडियो में देखा होगा. ये कम से कम शायद 100 साल पुराना
100 years old.
ये 300 एकर्स का पूरा एस्टेट है. चारों तरफ पहाड़, कॉफी प्लांटेशंस. यहाँ पे एक आर्टिफिशियल मतलब एक मैन मेड वाटरफॉल भी है जो इन्होंने खुद क्रिएट किया जस्ट टू एनहांस दी
ब्यूटी. यहाँ से नहीं दिखता है क्या? नीचे जाना पड़ेगा. साइड में आप लोगों को ये पेड़ दिखा देते हैं. एक्चुअली प्रॉपर्टी इतना ब्यूटीफुल है ना कि अगर बाहर नहीं भी जा पाए, क्योंकि बारिश बहुत होती है ये सीज़न पे. एंड अगेन रेनी सीजन इज द बेस्ट सीजन टू विजिट प्लेसेस लाइक कुर्ग एंड चिकमंगलुर. बट बच्चा है तो बारिश में तो बाहर जाने का कोई स्कोप ही नहीं हम लोगों को, और बहुत भीड़ है. तो जैसे मुलायनगिरी है, हेबे फॉल्स है, जो भी यहाँ का मेजर टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शंस है चिकमंगलुर का, सब जगह पे बहुत बहुत भीड़ भी होता है. तो अगर बाहर भी नहीं जा पाए वो भीड़ में कोरोना के टाइम पे, प्रॉपर्टी अच्छा होना चाहिए तो अंदर ही बहुत अच्छा टाइम पास हो जाता है. एवरी नूक एंड कॉर्नर इज पिक्चरस्क. ढेर सारा फोटोज आप ले सकते हो इंस्टाग्राम के लिए, एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो लेजरली, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है रेस्ट ले सकते हो. घर पे कहाँ मिलता है ये नजराना सुबह उठ के. कितना सुंदर प्रॉपर्टी बनाया है देखिए. एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी है, चल रहा है सिंस 100 years. अभी ये ऐसा ही से निश्चिंत है ओनर का नाम, एंड हिज वाइफ आर करेंटली ओनर्स ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी.
Yeah.
এই দেখ, এটা একটা পট, অ্যান্টিক পট ভেঙে গেছে, তাও রেখে দিয়েছে যত্ন. এই দাম লাখ লাখ টাকা. So these are different categories of rooms available. We showed our room already. So these are the other types of rooms available for stay. That's a breakfast area. We just had a breakfast here. This is the dining area. The homestay served as Malnat cuisine, which is a specialty in Chikmagalur, and it was delicious. Hi guys, good morning. So today is the final day at Chikmagalur. We are about to check out from the property in say another 15 minutes time. So before checking out, let's take a quick room tour. So as I said, there are different categories of rooms. These are rocks and pebbles which we had booked. These are a little secluded from the rest of the property, but you would love these because of the environment. As you can see, this is my backdrop to the property. Hi Saurav.
Hello.
Hope you enjoyed your stay.
A lot.
So there is a balcony-like area here for seating, for enjoying the view. And here's the room.
Hello.
Hi. All set?
Yes.
So finally we've checked out from the Coffee Bean homestay. It was a great stay for the last 2 days, luxurious and very relaxing. Although we have to come back to Chikmagalur because we did not get to visit any of the tourist places. There were quite a few, like the Mulangiri peak range, which is one of the highest mountain ranges in Karnataka, and the Hebe Fall. So we gave those a miss, particularly because of the corona situation, because we came to know that those places were very, very crowded and we did not really take a chance. Chikmagalur is just a 5-hour drive from our place, so we will definitely come back here again. It's after all the coffee land, so the awesome taste of the coffee will definitely call us back. So yeah, time to head back home. It's currently showing around 5.5 hours of journey from here. We are currently passing through the Coffee Bean Homestay Road. As I said, the estate is very big, over a 300 acres land, and it takes around 1 kilometer to just reach the main gate and hit the main road. So here we are, the Bong Voyager signing off for now. See you in some another vlog, in some another destination, staycation, whatever it is. We'll surely stay in touch as usual. Please do like, share and subscribe, and do keep spreading your love so that we continue to share, good videos with you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, take care,
Thanks for watching.
and see you soon.